Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate lip care routine for soft, smooth, and hydrated lips. We'll cover lip scrubs, masks, moisturizers, and even some natural remedies for those beautiful pink lips. Let's get started. Step 1. Lip scrub. First up, lip scrubs. Exfoliating your lips is crucial to remove dead skin and reveal softer lips underneath. Here are a couple of easy DIY options. 1. Nut sugar and honey scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with 1 teaspoon of honey. Gently massage it onto your lips for a minute, then rinse off with warm water. 2. Coffee scrub. Combine 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds with a teaspoon of coconut oil. This not only exfoliates but also hydrates your lips. Use a lip scrub 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Step 2. Lips masks. Next, let's talk about lip masks. These are great for adding an extra boost of hydration. 1. Overnight lip mask. Apply a thick layer of a hydrating lip balm or an overnight lip mask. Look for ingredients like shea butter or aloe vera. 2. DIY avocado mask. Mash half an avocado and mix it with a teaspoon of honey. Apply this to your lips for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. Your lips will feel incredibly soft. Step 3. Moisturizer. Now, onto moisturizers. Keeping your lips hydrated is essential. 1. Beeswax lip balm. Opt for natural lip balms with beeswax, shea butter, or coconut oil. Apply it regularly throughout the day. 2. DIY coconut oil treatment. Simply apply a thin layer of coconut oil to your lips before bed. It locks in moisture while you sleep. Step 4. Natural remedies for pink lips. Want to achieve naturally pink lips? Here are some remedies. 1. Beetroot balm. Blend beetroot and mix it with a little honey. Apply this mixture for a natural tint and nourishment. 2. Pomegranate juice. Apply fresh pomegranate juice to your lips. It not only adds color but also provides antioxidants. 3. Rose petals. Soak fresh rose petals in milk overnight, then mash them into a paste. Apply this to your lips for a gentle pink hue. And that's it. Follow this routine regularly for soft, hydrated, and beautifully pink lips. Don't forget to drink plenty of water and protect your lips from the sun too. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more beauty tips. See you next time.